So what the Newton's third law actually is saying, that if on a table there is a one book lying on it, one book is here, then book will apply some force on a table and table in reaction will apply a force on a book. Note it down, force is on table and action is on table and reaction is on book. So both are on the opposite objects. Sorry, I should say different objects. Force is on table, reaction is on book. Like there is a football, and if I will apply here a force F, and in opposite direction a reaction will be here on a same football, then they will cancel each other's. Meaning is, अगर यहाँ से एक फोर्स लगाई और यहाँ से एक फोर्स लगाई, दोनों अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट पे, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाती है ना, बैलेंस्ड बन जाती है. बट यहाँ ऐसा बैलेंस नहीं है केस. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? वन इज ऑन अ टेबल एंड सेकंड इज ऑन अ बुक, राइट? ऑन अ different object, the forces are acting. Clear? Now, all the three laws we have completed. Now, let us have conservation of linear momentum topic. You know about a linear momentum, that is P is equal to mass into velocity, the quantity of motion in an object. A body which is in motion has some mass and some velocity. What is the motion quantity in it? That is called momentum, right? Now, if we will consider that one object is of m1, u1 mass m1 and u1 velocity, and m2 mass second body and u2 is the second mass body and u2 is velocity. Both are coming towards each other's, means their velocities are in the opposite directions. Okay. And definitely after some time they will collide. Just they are colliding. One body will apply a force on the other and second one on the first one, like this. The first body is applying that F1 force and second is applying F2 force. दोनों एक दूसरे को force लगा रहे हैं. Just I have talked to you that जितनी force ये हाथ इसके ऊपर लगा रहा है उतनी ये इसके ऊपर लगा रहा है. दोनों अलग अलग हाथ पे लग रही है, बट डायरेक्शंस जो है, देखो इसने इस तरफ लगाई और ये जो लगाएगा वो इस तरफ लगाएगा, है ना. एक फोर्स इस तरफ लगी, एक इस तरफ, ये दो हैंड, ठीक है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. इसने इधर लगाई, सेकंड ने इधर लगाई है. सेम इज हैपनिंग हियर. सो व्हेन दे विल कोलाइड, दिस F1 and F2 forces will be equal and opposite. F1 and F2 are equal but in opposite direction. So minus sign. Minus sign is just indicating that they are in opposite directions. Okay. So I will write, if F1 force I want to calculate, the Newton's second law is saying F1 is equal to mass into accelerations. What is the mass? M1. What is the accelerations? If U1 is the initial velocity and V1 is the final. Here U2 is the initial and V2 is the final. So for a first object, what is the mass m1? What is the final velocity? Mass into acceleration, you know. Then acceleration is change in the velocity, final, initials divided by time. So this is the force applied by 1 and force applied by 2. Second mass, second final velocity, second initial velocity. This is the acceleration. Okay. And Newton's third law is saying that F1 is equal to F2 but with the opposite sign, means they are in opposite directions. So I can keep both equal to each other like this. M1 V1 minus U1 over T is equal to minus M2 V2 minus U2 over T, right? Now just multiply here. See what is T will cut a T, and M1 V1 minus M1 U1 is equal to minus M2 V2 plus M2 U2. Due to this minus, then we will multiply inside. Okay. Now see, this can be taken here, this can be taken here. So what is M1 U1 m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1, and this will come here, then plus m2 v2. What is this? Initially first body momentum, initially second body momentum, means this is the initial momentum of both the bodies, है ना? And this is the final momentum now, because these are the final velocities. So this is the final momentum. So what is going on? अगर दो बॉडीज अपने में ही सारा कुछ कर रही हैं, बाहर से कोई नहीं आया, तो जितना मोमेंटम उनके पास था इनिशियली वही मोमेंटम रहेगा फाइनली. तो यही कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम का लॉ है. स्टेट दैट इफ नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स, बाहर से कोई नहीं लगी, अंदर के अंदर उन्होंने लगाई, अपने बीच में लगाई, x into 2 हो, ज्यादा हो तब भी होगा. अगर दो बॉडीज में अंदर के अंदर लग रही है, द लीनियर मोमेंटम रिमेन्स कंजर्व. दो बॉडीज के अंदर का ही जो लीनियर मोमेंटम है, जो स्टार्टिंग में था, वही फाइनली रहने वाला है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? समझ आ रहा है बेटा? ये कि इनिशियल मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू फाइनल मोमेंटम, वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा. ओके, थैंक यू.